The Odisha Teacher Eligibility Test (OTET) witnessed notable participation this year as family members of noted politicians in the district joined aspiring teachers at the examination centers. Chaiti Gond, wife of School and Mass Education Minister Nityanand Gond, appeared for OTET at Saraswati Shishu Mandir in Noagada, following the government's mandate making the test compulsory for all aspiring teachers. A teacher at UV3 school in Dangareguda, Amarkot block of Nabarangpur district, Chaiti Gond attended the exam like any regular candidate, adhering to the prescribed guidelines. Speaking after the test, she expressed confidence about her performance and optimism about clearing the exam successfully. Alongside her, Taruni Mazi, wife of Nabarangpur legislator Gaurishankar Mazi, also appeared for OTET at RCD school, reinforcing the importance of the eligibility test in shaping the state's teaching workforce.
OTET teacher eligibility test देइछि सेकंड पेपर दुईटा रु चारटा अधे पर्यंत थिला आ परीक्षा क्वेश्चन तो जहाँ पड़ी थिला भल ही थिला आ भल परीक्षा देइछि आ शांति श्रृंखला परीक्षाटा भल सरीछि।